Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss Mendeleev periodic law and Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic law 1869. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic weight. What does it mean? It means the properties of elements, physical or chemical, depends upon atomic weight. After that, Mendeleev periodic table. Periodic table based on Mendeleev periodic law or atomic weight is known as Mendeleev periodic table. Students, the table that is based on either Mendeleev periodic law or atomic weight is known as Mendeleev periodic table. Then, characteristics of Mendeleev periodic table. In this periodic table, the elements were arranged horizontally in 10 series in the order of their increasing atomic weight. How many series? 10 series. The series were divided into 7 horizontal and 8 vertical columns. 7 horizontal and 8 vertical columns. The horizontal columns were called periods while the vertical columns were named as group. Mendeleev's original periodic table contained about 65 elements which were known at that time. He left several gaps for the unknown elements and predicted their properties. This helped in discovery of new elements. For example, gallium and germanium, named as Eka aluminium and Eka silicon respectively by Mendeleev, were discovered this way. Although Mendeleev periodic table helped a lot in the systematic study of elements, yet the table had several defects. Defects of Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table had certain defects. These defects are as follows. Hydrogen resembles with the elements of first group as well as with those of seventh group in its properties. Therefore, it should have been placed in both groups in Mendeleev periodic table. In Mendeleev periodic table, isotopes of an element should be placed at different places due to their different atomic masses. In Mendeleev periodic table, isotopes of an element should be placed at different places due to different atomic masses. In this periodic table, lanthanoids and actinoids are supposed to be placed together in group third, which is not accordance to the periodic law. Mendeleev's periodic table shows only one valency for an element, which is not true. Several pairs of elements placed in Mendeleev periodic table violate the periodic law. For example, argon is placed before potassium, tellurium is placed before iodine, etc. Note point: if the criterion of atomic weight is strictly followed, then potassium should be placed before argon. Similarly, similar elements placed in different group, dissimilar elements in same group. So students, what is Mendeleev periodic table? What is Mendeleev periodic law? Mendeleev periodic law, according to this law, properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic weight. Mendeleev periodic table based on Mendeleev periodic law or atomic weight is known as Mendeleev periodic table. What are the properties of Mendeleev periodic table? It helps in the discovery of new elements. It helps to learn the characteristics of many elements in a very short times. With these benefits, mainly periodic table has certain defects also that I have discussed. Okay, thank you.